Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make my favorite cookies. It's a brownie cookie. This is rich fudge inside of the brownie cookie and also have the walnut and also chocolate, white chocolate inside. It's for chocolate lover dream that just melt in your mouth. So let's get started. This is our ingredients. It's only short time to make this recipe and so delicious. First we need to prepare the walnut. We need to chop to the small pieces, but you can change to almond or other kind of nut and also use the white chocolate or the chocolate chip also. For all ingredients I will put in the description box below. It's so delicious and quick recipe. Next we need to melt the butter in the large bowl and then add also the chocolate, but we use dark chocolate 70% for 100 gram and butter for 10 gram, and then put in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes depending the chocolate is melted. Continue to stir and make the chocolate melt well with the butter. And after that, I recommend doing this first so it has a few minutes to cool down before you need to the next step. After the chocolate is cooled down, and then we need to add 1 egg into the big bowl to the large bowl. Add 70 grams of the sugar. Whisk and stir together until the egg and the sugar is made like a cream or like a foam. And then continue to add the chocolate that already melt and also mix it well together. And then combine wet and dry ingredients together. But we need to sift the all-purpose flour about 20 grams with the water, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Sift in the mixture and mix until almost combined. And then add 20 grams of white chocolate and also 35 grams of the walnut. But you can skip for this if you doesn't like, and also you can change to other nut too. And make sure there are no remaining bit of the unincorporated of the flour. And after that, scoop out the cookie dough and put in the baking sheet. The size of the dough is depends on what you like. You can make it smaller or bigger, but I prefer this is for the medium size is perfect because each dough ball should be around 1 tablespoon. and then bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. And now it's finished. Your kids' cookie will be not fully baked and set when you take them out of the oven, but will firm up as they cool down. And after, remove from the oven and need to cool down for about 5 minutes before transferring to wire rack to cool completely, and then you can taste it. It's so delicious. I hope you guys did give this try to this recipe, and see you next time.